today we are doing part 2 of our thrifting fall trends. I am super excited. I found some amazing pieces. We went low, middle, and high. And what I mean by that is we went to my thrift outlet, which is the lowest of the low prices, all the way down to quarter day. We went to mid-range Buffalo Exchange, where you get mid-range consignment store pricing. And we went to a designer consignment store. And I'm so excited to share. If you missed the thrift with me part, you don't want to miss it, because you get to get in my head and hear my thrift thoughts, my real thrift thoughts. Oh, put it back, put it back, put it back. Yeah, so definitely check that out to see all the pieces I got. But today I am so excited. We're going to be experimental with the layering of these pieces for fall. So let's do it. All right, so we're going to kick this off with a plissé piece. You guys know how I've been into plissé ever since it got on trend. And I always say this, and I like to make this caveat. If you're not into trends, it is fine. Wear what you like. It's perfectly okay to wear what you like. I just personally really get excited about what's trending, not because I say those are the things I have to wear, but because I feel like, oh, I'm excited because those are the things that are going to be available. And whatever things that are on trend that I see that I like, I know I'm going to be able to get those things readily available retail. But I also know that I can definitely thrift them. So plissé is one of those things that's on trend right now, both solid colors and printed. And I got this cheetah print one. This one isn't shiny. I thought that I was really going to either crop this or just upcycle or do something to it. I knew I was going to wear it off the shoulder for sure, but I got another piece. Also, this was free. Yes, this was thrifted for free. When people know that you thrift, they don't mind giving you clothes. Now, if you have really good friends, they'll give you stuff with tags still on. So a friend of mine gave me this, and if she's watching this video, thank you very much. It's from Zara. It's a faux leather skirt. It's a mini skirt. And you guys know with shorts, I do not mind wearing a mini skirt. So we're gonna play dress up with these two together, and you can let me know how you feel about it.
I wanna forget where I came from, where there's no getting over you. I can't wait till it's over. I can't wait till it ends. You got a chip on your shoulder, and I don't need to pretend that we are alright. I won't spend another night.
Alright, I love this look. I decided to wear it with that mesh super crop top that we made a couple months ago, and I love the effect that it's giving, in addition to the socks and heels. I know that's not for everybody, but I tell you, when I see things like this become on trend, I am definitely going to do it, because I am a sock girl to my core. If anybody knows me personally, you know that's the truth, and you know how deep it is. So yeah, I like to experiment, add layers, and just see, like, you know, you never know until you really start playing dress up what you actually like. And a lot of people ask me, how do you find your style? Don't know what my style is. I just say try everything. If you don't like it, don't wear it. But if it really truly makes you feel like you, wear it, because the number one thing is the confidence that you wear things with. That's what's going to dictate whether people think it's a good outfit or not. Trust and believe is 100% true. All right, so next up is this Victoria's Secret nightgown, and you might be like, how are you going to style that for daytime or for going out? You're going to see. I am super excited. This is one of those things I love when this trend first came out, because you guys know that I love layering. And when you have things like this, it just makes the outfit interesting. It makes the outfit able to be layered because it's such a thin piece, and the fabric is amazing. Like I said, this is from Victoria's Secret. I did have to take it in. I just added a little dart right in the back to make it fit along my waist. It needed that fit, also to fit in the chest. You guys know I'm not working with a whole lot, so I wanted it to fit up in the chest. But I love this little sheer detail in the front. That I think that is so cute, as well as the sequins and the lace cut out in the front. So we are going to style this, layer it up, and make it absolutely amazing. I decided to layer this with some cargo pants first. The cargo pants and this together look absolutely amazing to me. I don't care what anybody says. I love, love, love it. I love the mix of hard and soft. So every day, all day, I'm always gonna love that. And then I decided to put on my new coat from Zara. I love the shearling like leather or suede combination. It is one of my favorites from way back, and I'm so glad that they're available again. I love that it's cropped, so it went perfect with this, as well as these Dolce Vita heels that I thrifted years and years and years ago. I love the strap detail underneath, and to top it off, a mini bag. This is also something I thrifted years and years ago, and I really, really like it. So altogether, this outfit thrifted is much different than y'all thought. I know what you thought. I know what you thought, but it's much different, and it just has so much interest to it with the layers, with the different textures, like this being shiny, and then you have the shearling, and then the cargo. So I'm over the moon. I don't know. You guys let me know what you think. All right, so now we're gonna move to the mid-price range. From Buffalo Exchange, I did get this top. I have been loving tops like this, which is why I got the plissé from the outlet. But these tops, because you can wear them up on your shoulders or down, it just, for me, gives me different places I could wear them to depending on where I'm going, if I feel that that's appropriate. And it looks really good on me, you know. I either gotta have shoulder pads or shoulders out, you know. It's crazy, but it's all about the shoulders either way. But this brand is Kanji, and I just love, it's so romantic. Like, and I'm not that type of girl. Like, I'm really not, or at least I say I'm not, but this is so pretty. So this is gonna be the simplest one of the bunch. Here you go.
But I'm not gonna wake up, wake up. I'm not ready, let me have another day. Don't wake up, wake up. Keep it steady, cause I'm happy, I'm not gonna wake up. No, no, not yet. Whoa, no, not yet. Whoa, no, no, not yet. Whoa, I'm afraid I'll end up.
Yes, so I just styled it with those plissé pants that we made from that dress a couple months ago. And yes, I still have the top that we made, but that top I wouldn't wear it everywhere. But these pants have come in clutch. I've worn them. I can wear them anywhere, and they are long enough for me, even long enough for me to wear a good heel, and I love that. You guys know I have short torso, long legs. I needed that in my life, and this to replace the shirt that I wouldn't wear everywhere is just like absolute genius. I'm digging it. All right, so next up for mid-range from Buffalo Exchange, I got this sheer H&M dress. It has these little polka dots on it, which I really, really like. It is a drop waist, but like we talked about a couple videos ago, it's not my perfect drop waist length. Drop waist for most people, when it's a drop waist, not a peplum, when it's a drop waist, if it hits right at the fullest part of your hips, then that's the most flattering for a drop waist. It's halfway in between peplum and drop waist. So I had to get really creative in styling this.
But baby, you make me a whole lot better. A whole lot better. A whole lot better. A whole lot better. You see.
Yes, from a couple months ago, our bra top with the I'm the Blueprint on the back. So yes, I am giving them looks going and coming. So yeah, I'm excited about that. I finally found from Boohoo, I think, pants long enough, flare pants long enough for me without having to upcycle. Like I love upcycling, I really, really do, but I do get excited every once in a while when I can find things either from the thrift store or from retail where their pants are long enough for me. Oh, not only with that upcycle, but the purse I also upcycled. This bucket bag was made from a coffee can. Of course, I will put all the links in the description, and I'll also put all the outfit details in the description as well. If anything is new, I recently purchased it, I will definitely put a link in the description box, so check that out. All right, so last up for mid-range, you guys saw me try this on, and I know you were like, you better get it, and I did. It is this jacket. The brand is Dictionary and it had tags on it. So it was new with tags, size medium. I strongly considered cropping this. I'm glad I didn't until I absolutely knew how I wanted to style it. But of course, you guys know why I got this, because I like anything with strings hanging down. That is just me.
Sometimes people will try to hold you back from being who you want to. Don't be questioning why, do whatever feels right, find your passion and fight. Cause we only got one chance and got one life to live. I ain't never gonna slow down.
Styled it with green, which is my favorite color, and it is in particular this top right here. This is from Forever 21. I did get this recently, as well as these amazing, these pants are killer. This is half of a suit that I got from Nasty Gal. I will put the link if it's still available. I love the full suit, but the pants on their own with the split up the side is just it's yummy. It's so good, so good. And I love the tassels also, because it's like whenever you gesture something, it's just grand. It makes everything grand. You know, that's why I like things hanging down. It just makes everything grand. You're saying hi to somebody and you're giving it to them, right? Like you're giving them looks. You giving the girls looks on looks, and you're not even trying. You know, like you're not even trying, but you're doing so much. So yeah. Yes, love this. All right, so now let's go high end. I have never on my channel went thrifting at a designer consignment store, but I decided to do it for a video because it's like, you know, it doesn't matter what your range is, what your budget is. Shopping at thrift stores can be a very sustainable thing, good for the planet. So even if you are looking for designer pieces, try your designer consignment stores first, you know, the real, different places like that, before you go to buy them new. And so this is what I got. You guys saw me try it on, and yes, I did get it. It is this Ralph Lauren skirt, and guys, when I saw this, I was just like, please let me fit it. Please let me fit it. Please let me fit it, because it is a size. That don't say no two. That don't say no two. That does not say two. Well, it's a size 2. I'm a size 2. But this is silk. I just realized that. Then I got this faux leather jacket. You saw me try it on. That was a different size. That was a bigger size. This is a small. I did not think I was getting my behind in no small, so I wasn't even gonna try on no small. This is by the brand Tauve Los Angeles. This is new. But what drew me, of course, is the shoulder. And so I'm gonna show you actually how these two look together. Like elevated gold, like fancy outfit ever. I would really love to have like some type of sequence bralette or something like that. Oh, that would be amazing underneath to go like out. And then I have on these maroon booties. I really need a purse that matches the booties, because those are my go-to booties, but I don't have a purse that like really matches that. So I need something that matches that energy, and that would have set it off absolutely. And then I could have also done the pop of color right here underneath, and then like a bright pink shoe or like a bright colored shoe with the bright color underneath, something to set it off. But I'm really into like that idea about the sequins. Maybe we can make something. I don't know, but I love this. We're gonna move into the winter as it comes and get into some of these upcycles, these fall and winter upcycles. I'm super excited about that. If you have any requests, definitely let me know in the comments down below. Everything that I talked about is linked. I have other videos for you to watch right here, right now, and subscribe so you don't miss a thing. All right, I'll see you in the next one. Bye.